Hello students. In today's class, we'll discuss about the classification of financial market, which is very important for your examination. So here, the financial market is broadly classified into two, that is money market and capital market. So let us discuss in deep about the money market and capital market. Okay, let us move on and start with money market. So dear students, money market is a market for short-term funds deals with monetary assets whose period of maturity is less than 1 year. So here students, money market is a short-term market where the securities are traded for short period of time, that is less than 1 year. The instruments of money market includes treasury bill, commercial paper, call money certificates of deposits, commercial bill, participant certificates, and money market mutual funds. So these are the instruments which are traded and created under money market. And the major participants in the market are Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, non-banking finance companies, state governments, large corporates and mutual funds. These are the major participants in the money market. So the next one, that is capital market. Capital market is the market which deals in long and medium term funds. Individual investors and institutional investors are the major suppliers of funds into the capital market. They deals with ownership securities and creditorship securities, shares, debentures, bonds and other wide range of securities are dealt in the capital. So capital market is the market which deals in long and medium term funds whose maturity period may be mostly more than 1 year. So compared to money market, capital market is a market where long term as well as medium term securities are traded. And the instruments under capital markets are shares, debentures, bonds and other wide range of securities. These kind of instruments are traded under the capital market. And again, capital market is divided into two, that is primary market and secondary market. Start from primary market. Primary market. Primary market is also known as new issue market. It is the market where the securities are sold for the first time. So students, under primary market, the securities are issued to the general public for the first time, where the company is going to issue securities directly to the general public, where the public are going to purchase the securities directly through the company. This market is called as a primary market. Okay, I'll take an example of Infosys company. So if Infosys company is going to issue the securities, that is shares and debentures, to the general public, that market is called as primary market, where the securities are issued to the general public for the first time. If the general public is purchasing securities directly from the Infosys company, that security market or financial market is called as primary market. So secondary market. The secondary market is also known as the stock market or stock exchange. A stock exchange is an institution which provides a platform buying and selling of existing securities. Stock exchange facilitates the exchange of securities into cash and vice versa, where the securities are traded for the second time. As I give the example based on the Infosys company. So Infosys company directly issuing their securities to the general public for the first time in the primary market. The same securities, if the same person want to resell Okay, resell, he is supposed to go to the stock exchange where the securities are going to trade for the second time. So this market is called as secondary market. So students, it's a very important to understand or know the difference between the primary market and secondary market, where primary market is a market where securities are issued for the first time, and secondary market is a market where securities are traded for the second time in the stock exchange. Okay, so in today's class we discussed about the classification of financial market. Financial market is classified into two, money market and capital market, where capital market includes primary market and secondary market. Dear students, please take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you so much.